Kia ora, Star Wars fans. Welcome to Middle-Aged Kiwi Man collecting Star Wars figures. You've heard of Haslab. Now get ready for Jaslab. Haslab is the place where Hasbro brings to life some of your dream products. But are they your dream products? Or are they Hasbro's dream products? Are they maybe Lucasfilm's dream products? Now don't get me wrong, Haslab has come up with some amazing ideas like Jabba's sail barge. And of course, the amazing Razor Crest. But were you really interested in a 6-inch scale version of the Rancor? Now be honest with me, is it really a life-size one of these you want? Or is it a life-size one of these? Gonk droid. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what can I do to support this amazing Jaslab opportunity? Well, to be honest, our legal team advised us against doing this video. As you can see, our design team has put in a lot of effort. These digital renderings of the finished product. Check out all the features. Gonk. Literally everyone is talking about Jaslab.
I'm backing Jaslab.
Oh, hey mate, how's it going?
Oh, excuse me, sir. Do you like beer?
Yes, I do.
Would you drink beer out of a life-size Gonk droid?
Yes, I will.
Awesome. Hashtag Gonk droid beer fridge. Welcome to the future of Gonk. Oh, hey bro, I'm just gonna grab a beer. Do you want one out of my Gonk droid? As you can see, our engineers have already begun obtaining high quality materials to use in the project. Gonk. Jaslab.
Hi everyone, Randy here from Classic Rando 74. If you're anything like me, you can't chill your drinks in this tiny little Gonk droid. It just doesn't work. But now, there's a solution. It's the Jaslab Gonk droid fridge. I'm backing it, and so should you.
So what are you waiting for? Back the Jaslab Gonk droid beer fridge today. You won't be disappointed. Let me know in the comments how many you're backing. What about you, Lucy? Would you like a life-size Gonk droid?
Jaslab and all its affiliates are not legal and should not be trusted anyway, and please don't send any money.